Hello everyone, in this video we will solve another question of TOC GATE examination question. So let's move. Question number 7. Question number 7 says which of the following CFG can't be simulated by an FSM, finite state machine. So this question gives us following CFG. We have to determine this CFG can be simulated by FSM or not. So first CFG says one production rule and S and A and terminals, non-terminals. In the terminals we have given a small a. B is capital A's and small a, B or capital X non-terminal, and this non-terminals has small c and one non-terminal y, and this y non-terminal have also d, small d and a and one non-terminal. And for C, GFG says S is A, capital S and small b and small a and small b. And fourth option C, none of the above can be simulated by FSM. So let's analyze each option. So to determine which of the given context-free grammar CFG can't be simulated by a finite state machine, we need to identify CFGs that have no non-regular languages. Finite state machines can only recognize regular languages, so any CFG generating a non-regular language cannot be simulated by an FSM. Let's analyze each CFG. First option. This CFG generates the language of strings consisting of one or more A's. Since this language is regular, it can't be simulated by an finite state machine. And B option says this CFG generate an string of the form ABCD or AABCD. This language is regular, so it can be simulated by an FSM. So let's analyze another two remaining options. Option C says this CFG generate strings where A's are followed by the same number of B's. This language is not regular. It's the classic example of non-regular language, as it requires continuity which cannot be done by an FSM. Therefore, this CFG cannot be simulated by FSM. Option D says if none of the CFG generated by non-regular languages, then option D would be correct. However, as identified above, option C generates a non-regular language. So the correct answer is C. S is A is capital S and B and gives AB for termination state. This CFG can't be simulated by an FSM because it generates a non-regular language. So option C is the correct option for this question. So thank you so much for this video. We will meet with another question in another video.